Alright.
Right.
You ready?
Yeah.
Alright. So we gotta take the seat off first, okay?
Okay.
Look, see this right here? Come here. See this right here? See it? Push up on it. Push up on it. Ready? I'll help you. Push up on it and I'll help you. No, right here. Right here. Ready? Push up. Push, no, up. There you go, look. There's the seat. Yep, there's the seat. All right, now we gotta take these bolts out, okay? You wanna use the impact? You wanna use this?
Yeah.
Right here. Hold on, we're going the wrong way. All right. Hold on, wait. All right, now do it. Do it, hold on. Hit it. All right, look.
Yeah, it does.
What'd you do with the magnet? What'd you do with the magnet that was sitting right here? Crazy?
Sir.
Yeah, what'd you do with it?
But do this
No, that's not the right one. Daddy had the bigger one. Where'd the bigger one go?
No.
You probably put it in your tractor where you put all my other stuff.
Right here.
Where?
Let's go. I'll go pee.
You gotta go pee?
Yeah.
Well, you gotta go inside.
Outside.
No, you gotta go inside. It's too cold to go outside, bud.
Oh, it don't.
Yeah, come on. No. This way. We gotta go this way, son.
Let's go.
It's too cold. Go in there and go potty.
Okay.
You can go upstairs if you want.
We'll go here.
Okay, then go downstairs. Oh, there it is. Did you go potty?
Yeah.
All right, cool, dude. All right, hit the button. All right. Whew. God, you're fast.
Oh, don't you fast.
Yeah. Oh, whoa. What are you doing, crazy? Are you fixing it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Up the.
As long as you're fixing it. All done? Okay. Here. We're done with this one. You're wild, bro. You know that? You're crazy, dude. Hey, hold. Bro, what is wrong with you?
It's a serve.
You're crazy.
Oh.
Hey, get out. Hey. Get off. Dude. Where's your tea at?
Dodo.
We gotta say cheers.
Right here.
All right, well, you gonna cheers, Daddy, or what?
Sure, Daddy.
Cheers.
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 You got your tea?
I got my tea. Oh my gosh. We're missing all kinds of stuff, dude.
Yeah.
Where'd all Daddy's tools go? You probably got them over there in your trailer, don't you?
Oh, right here.
Do you have all Daddy's tools in your trailer?
Right here. Yeah, but.
It's okay. You can leave all that stuff in there. You can keep those tools.
Oh.
Here, you want me to fix it?
Yeah.
Here. Here, bud. Here, buddy. Here.
Huh?
There you go.
You must have had this. Not this.
There you go.
It's this.
Here, that one's good. Them two. Here, take them two. Them two are good.
Do.
Yep, and then here, Daddy will get the green one a little longer.
Okay.
There you go. Here. Got them?
Yeah.
All right. You need me to get anything out of your way so you can color, or are you good? I thought you were gonna help Daddy work on the floor.
Yeah.
Yeah. Did you change your mind?
Yeah.
Okay. I thought so. You want me to color?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see here.
Die.
What do you want me to draw?
Die.
What?
Die.
You want me to draw me?
Yeah.
Okay. Ready? Daddy's happy, bud. You want to know why Daddy's happy?
Yeah.
Because I love you.
I
Oh, you're taking Daddy's wheels off?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I don't need them taken off, but... Dude, what the heck?
You dropped it?
Yeah, Daddy dropped it. Hey, get off Daddy's tools, boy.
What is this?
What'd you do with the last one you had?
No.
Hey, whoa, stud, what are you doing? I don't, hold on. You don't have the right size on there, pal.
Yeah, it works.
It doesn't work. You don't have the right size on there, bud.
I'm sorry. Where are you?
Here I am.
Hey,
How do you? Hey, don't be taking, no. No, crazy. You can't be taking that off. Get out of here. Get off. Get out of here. Get out of here.